folks, this is Lac Plantation. As you can see, the beauty of nature. As you can see, water is springing out from this rock. As you can see, this is how beautiful and blessed Liberia is. Take a look. The water is springing from this rock, from this top, as you can see. So we are blessed with a whole lot of natural resources. See the beauty of nature. See this, as you can see. So as you can see this, so this is nature for you. As you can see, this is the source. Oh, this is a hydro that is being constructed by the management of Lac Plantation. And as we are told, this hydro worth over 15 million United States dollar. This is it. As you can see, the waterfall right there. Here, beauty of nature. You guys zoom this. As you can see, you can zoom it. This river is called the Yan River, and it's zooming it from this angle. The beauty of nature. As you can see, the source of the water. As you can see, this is the waterfall. Beautiful place, a whole lot of natural resources.